Steppe Gold is a Mongolia's precious metals company. We are in production. We've been in production for the last 3 years. The company has generated about $188 million in revenue so far. We've been doing 30,000 ounces per annum, and now the company is moving from phase 1 into phase 2 expansion. Then we will be able to produce from 30 to 100,000 ounces per annum in 2 years' time. And this summer we have successfully closed the full financing of $150 million for the phase 2 capex. And initial loan agreement has been signed in August, and now we're starting to withdraw money starting from October this year. Steppe Gold has been producing, phase 1 has been producing gold from the oxide top section, and now the company is moving down below to the fresh rock, and we've been building a flotation plant, new crushing unit, and some equipment are already in Mongolia, and we've been working on that. And now the company is talking with the local and international EPC contractors and going through the list of long lead items, and we're looking to order all our long lead items this December and January. Steppe Gold, in total we have 4.5 million ounces of gold equivalent in resources, and our main project is 100% owned ATO Gold mine, which has 1.7 million in reserves. And the company is looking to extract 1.32 million ounces of gold equivalent in the next 12 to 14 years. So the company is going to do another 30,000 ounces per annum for the next 2 years. And while we're doing that, we're going to complete the construction of phase 2, which is going to enable produce 100,000 ounces of gold equivalent per annum. For Mongolia, I was born and raised in Mongolia. Mongolia has a huge potential for mining opportunities. Right now, Mongolia only has 1% of mining licenses covers the total area of Mongolia, and only 10% of them are under operation. And that actually already generates 95% of all our export revenues into the country. So we see there's going to be huge more opportunities for exploration and mining. So Mongolia it's a mining jurisdiction and mining-friendly jurisdiction. I've been involved with Steppe Gold since the foundation. We founded this company with our company previous chairman, Matthew Wood, who has 30 years of experience building mining companies around the world. And previously has a proven track record of successful mining projects in Mongolia. And we've been working in the mining industry in Mongolia for the last 13 years. For Steppe Gold, our first #1 priority back 5 years ago was to build and commence production, which we did in 2 years. And now we're moving to the phase 2. And besides the producing main asset, we do have exploration and development assets. We have an exploration asset in the western side of Mongolia, which is one of the largest exploration acreages in western Mongolia. And we recently acquired another project outside of Mongolia in Peru. That's a development project which has 2.2 million ounces in gold equivalent. And it's quite similar project to what we have in Mongolia. And it also has 600,000 ounces of leachable gold on the top section of the deposit. So the company has in total about 200,000 ounces of production profile right now. And we will be working towards to meet that production profile. So for the company's next 12 months plans will be, we will be ordering all long lead items, receiving all the long lead items in summertime next year. Till then we'll be doing preparation work and start construction starting from March and April next year. And on top of that, we finally have resources and opportunities to do much more exploration work. We only did the 10% of our total licensed area, so there will be much more exploration, actual construction and production for the next 12 months. besides doing the production and expression in Mongolia, the company is actually looking to get the dual listing in the Hong Kong Stock Exchange next year Q1, and that's been going very well. And then it will be we'll be increasing our shareholder base in Asia and focusing on Asia more.